I tramp a perpetual journey. Come listen, all. My signs are a rainproof coat, good shoes, and a staff cut from the woods. No friend of mine takes his ease in my chair. I have no chair. I lead no man to a dinner table, library, exchange. But each man and each woman of you, I lead upon a knoll, my left hand hooking you around the waist, my right hand pointing to landscapes of continents and the public road. These states are the amplest poem. Here is not merely a nation, but a teeming nation of nations. Here the doings of men correspond with the broadcast doings of the day and night. I announce the union more and more compact, indissoluble. I announce splendors and majesties to make all previous politics of the earth insignificant. This America is only you and me. Its power, weapons, testimony are you and me. The officers, capitals, armies, ships are you and me. The war is you and me.